Hey friends, Jamie Shields here with Golden State Mortgage Group. I know I brought it up before and I will always keep bringing it up. Are you doing open houses? If so, do you have a lender partner going with you? My team and I absolutely love going to open houses. Well, some of us do. I do, and a couple other ones do. So if you're looking for a realtor partner who will show up to your open houses, I put the signs out with my realtor partners. We help design the flyers. We make the reels. We're really a partner for this. And you're looking for somebody who's going to level up your business and work with you for an open house, not just kind of show up and hang out and be on their phone. I've heard happens with other people. So if that's what you're looking for and you're open to giving us a try, our team at Golden State Mortgage Group would love to hold an open house with you. So reach out, and if not in my area, I'll connect you with one of my loan officers who is. I look forward to hearing from you. Bye.